Illinois Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 5.
Question 1. Drugs can affect your ability to ride.
Prescription. Every day. All these answers are correct. Illegal.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 2. A benefit of riding in the center lane position is it?
There is no center lane position. Allows you to turn easily. Prevents others from sharing your lane. Keeps you hidden from other drivers.
Answer.
Prevents others from sharing your lane.
Question 3. In order to swerve properly, you must
Brake before swerving. Brake before or after swerving. Brake after swerving. Brake while swerving.
Answer.
Brake before or after swerving.
Question 4. If oncoming traffic is present and you are passing a lane of parked cars, which portion of the lane should you ride in?
The center. The left. The center or the right. The right.
Answer.
The center.
Question 5. If you believe that your motorcycle has not triggered a light sensor while stopped at a traffic light, when can you proceed?
When it is safe to do so. After waiting 2 light cycles. After waiting 120 seconds. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 6. What causes your motorcycle to lurch?
Speeding up too quickly. Shifting into a lower gear too soon. Turning too fast. Driving over gravel roads.
Answer.
Shifting into a lower gear too soon.
Question 7. When braking on slippery surfaces, you should
Use both brakes. Always coast in neutral. Use the rear brake only. Use the front brake only.
Answer.
Use both brakes.
Question 8. When riding in a group, motorcycles should ride
In single file. In pairs. In the alternate formation. In the staggered formation.
Answer.
In the staggered formation.
Question 9. Generally, motorcycles require
More distance than a car to stop. The same amount of distance as a car to stop. Less distance than a car to stop. More room to operate safely than cars.
Answer.
The same amount of distance as a car to stop.
Question 10. The best way to lessen your chances of skidding on a slippery surface is to
Ride on the shoulder of the road. Drag your feet on the ground. Slow down before you get to the slippery surface. Maintain a constant speed.
Answer.
Slow down before you get to the slippery surface.
Question 11. If an object suddenly appears in your way of riding, you should, to avoid a crash,
swerve around the object, lean your motorcycle, apply front brake gently, swerve and apply brakes.
Answer.
Swerve around the object.
Question 12. Motorcycle cargo should not be secured with
rope, saddlebags, tank bags, elastic cords.
Answer.
Rope.
Question 13. Which of the following provides the best traction for motorcycles?
Gravel roads, wet pavement, snow, warm pavement.
Answer.
Warm pavement.
Question 14. Your motorcycle fits you if
you can keep it from tipping over. Both feet can reach the ground while you are seated. You can reach the hand grips without locking your elbows. You can comfortably reach the foot pegs.
Answer.
Both feet can reach the ground while you are seated.
Question 15. If you are carrying a package that prevents you from steering with both hands,
you can only ride in first gear. You must not ride the motorcycle. Ride under 30 miles per hour. Ride in residential areas only.
Answer.
You must not ride the motorcycle.
Question 16. Motorcycles should share lanes with cars when
it is never safe to share a lane with a car. There is heavy traffic. Riding with other motorcycles. Riding in a designated area only.
Answer.
It is never safe to share a lane with a car.
Question 17. Groups of motorcycle riders should be no larger than riders.
6, 7, 2, 5.
Answer.
5.
Question 18. The front brake is controlled with
the right hand lever, the left hand lever, the right foot pedal, the left foot pedal.
Answer.
The right hand lever.
Question 19. What is the most common type of motorcycle crash at an intersection?
Motorcycles not yielding to traffic in the intersection. Drivers entering the motorcycle's right-of-way. Drivers following too closely. Motorcycles exceeding the speed limit.
Answer.
Drivers entering the motorcycle's right-of-way.
Question 20. Which of the following does not increase your safety when riding at night?
Passing slower vehicles. Changing your lane position. Decreasing your speed. Wearing reflective coating.
Answer.
Passing slower vehicles.
Question 21. Maintaining or increasing your speed while making a turn.
Should never occur. Should only occur when passing others. Is safer because you complete the turn quickly. Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Answer.
Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 22. The best way to protect your eyes is with
a 3/4 helmet, a face shield, eyeglasses, a windshield.
Answer.
A face shield.
Question 23. Other than wearing bright clothing, how can you increase your visibility?
Decrease your speed. Wear a full face helmet. By wearing reflective clothing. Ride only in the left lane position.
Answer.
By wearing reflective clothing.
Question 24. If there are hazards on your left, what lane position should you ride in?
2 or 3. 1 or 2. 2. 3.
Answer.
2 or 3.
Question 25. How is the rear brake controlled?
By the left hand lever. By the left foot pedal. By the right foot pedal. By the right hand lever.
Answer.
By the right foot pedal.
Question 26. Cars are most likely to try and share your lane when
you are riding on a multi-lane highway. They know you are a beginner rider. They want to pass you. You are in the left lane position.
Answer.
They want to pass you.
Question 27. To stop as quick as possible, you should
use the rear brake only. Use the front brake only. Use either brake while swerving the motorcycle. Use both brakes at the same time.
Answer.
Use both brakes at the same time.
Question 28. The best formation when riding in a group is
motorcycles should not ride in groups. In pairs. Single file. The staggered formation.
Answer.
The staggered formation.
Question 29. Which lane positions are safest for motorcycles?
The center position is always the safest option. The safest position will depend on the surroundings. The left position only. The left and right position are safest.
Answer.
The safest position will depend on the surroundings.
Question 30. You should adjust your side mirrors
while riding your motorcycle at a designated service center. Before starting the motorcycle. Before mounting the motorcycle.
Answer.
Before starting the motorcycle.
Question 31. When you ride a motorcycle on slippery pavement, you should to avoid a skid.
Shift to a higher gear. Accelerate. Lean your motorcycle to any direction. Reduce your speed.
Answer.
Reduce your speed.
Question 32. The weaving caused by riding over a metal grating
Is harmful to the motorcycle. Is not hazardous. Is dangerous to motorcycle riders. Is caused by poor driving.
Answer.
Is not hazardous.
Question 33. It is important to maintain a space cushion behind the vehicle in front of you.
Unless you're stopped. When riding through school zones. At all times. In periods of heavy traffic.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 34. You are being closely followed and as you approach an intersection, the light turns yellow. What should you do?
Beep your horn to warn the driver. Tap your brake to flash your brake light. Accelerate to make it through the light. Move into another lane.
Answer.
Tap your brake to flash your brake light.
Question 35. Using is the best way to fasten cargo to a motorcycle.
Strong rope. Strips of cloth. The sissy bar. Elastic cords.
Answer.
Elastic cords.
Question 36. Slippery surfaces can be even more dangerous if you aren't
Using both brakes. Riding in the right lane position. Only using one brake. Riding in the left lane position.
Answer.
Only using one brake.
Question 37. What do gravel, lane markings, and road edges have in common?
They provide poor traction for motorcycles. They are areas where motorcycles cannot ride. They are the safest places to ride. They are present on all roads.
Answer.
They provide poor traction for motorcycles.
Question 38. While driving in the city and looking ahead for hazards, you should be checking at least ahead
3 blocks. 1/2 block. 2 blocks. 1 block.
Answer.
1/2 block.
Question 39. When preparing to pass the vehicle in front of you, you can increase your line of sight by
Riding in the right lane position. Riding in the center lane position. Riding in the left lane position. Pulling into oncoming traffic.
Answer.
Riding in the left lane position.
Question 40. Accelerating in a curve
Helps stabilize the motorcycle. Is for experienced riders only. Should not be done. Should be done only in small curves.
Answer.
Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 41. While riding, your feet should be positioned
Firmly on the footrests. Pointed down for easy shifting. as far forward as possible, hovering above the ground in case you dip.
Answer.
Firmly on the footrests.
Question 42. Which brake control should you use when you need to stop?
The front brake, the rear brake, the emergency brake. Both front and rear brake controls.
Answer.
Both front and rear brake controls.
Question 43. If there are two or more motorcycles riding together, they should ride
Single file, in a V formation, in pairs, in a staggered formation.
Answer.
In a staggered formation.
Question 44. Motorcycles are especially in danger when being passed by large vehicles because
large vehicles cannot accelerate as fast as motorcycles. Large blasts of wind can affect your control. Large vehicles tend to swerve into your lane. Their drivers are often tired from working long hours.
Answer.
Large blasts of wind can affect your control.
Question 45. If you are riding in a staggered formation, you should switch to riding in pairs when
motorcycles should never ride in pairs. Riding at night. Approaching intersections. Turning sharp corners.
Answer.
Motorcycles should never ride in pairs.
Question 46. How can you use your clothing to help prevent collisions?
Wave extra clothing to get attention of drivers. Clothing choice does not prevent collisions. Wear durable clothing. Wear bright clothing.
Answer.
Wear bright clothing.
Question 47. The location with the greatest chance of a collision with another vehicle is
on curves. At intersections. In parking lots. On hills.
Answer.
At intersections.
Question 48. What is a good strategy for seeing bumps on a road at night?
Use your low beam headlight. Wear reflective clothing. Watch the tail lights of the car ahead of you. Stay in low gears.
Answer.
Watch the tail lights of the car ahead of you.
Question 49. If you need to brake and swerve to avoid hitting an obstacle, you
must brake while swerving. Should brake after swerving. Should brake before swerving. Must brake before or after swerving.
Answer.
Must brake before or after swerving.
Question 50. The most important thing about swerving is to
not brake and swerve at the same time. Never swerve on a curve. Brake while swerving. Only swerve towards the inside of the road.
Answer.
Not brake and swerve at the same time. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.